So here we are, months later after the lockdown, and I have absolutely lost interest in attending online classes. A new generation of problem requires new approaches, so I built a robot to attend my online classes. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
Two-face killer, go gorilla for the bag. That boy be a pussy, kill the vibe, he a drag. Autobiography gon' look like a brag. Let's get to the money, I'm on PT, dirty ass. Made these fucker.
To be honest, I love online classes because I don't need to physically get up, get ready, and go to college and sit and listen from the lecturers. Everything is online. I just need to sit in front of the computer, and that's all. I'm attending my classes. But as classes are online, I don't need to be present to attend them. My computer can do it for me. And this is exactly what we are going to do. We are going to build a bot which is going to attend my online classes. So let me tell you a bit about how our attendance system works. So first we need to log into the browser, then log into their special portal, then put your login information, put the login password and hit login, and then you get an option called join now, which you press will lead to Zoom. Eventually the classes are held at Zoom, so it's pretty easy if you ask me, and the computer can do it with ease. So this video is fairly not technical, so anybody can watch this video. I'm saying only that because I want views. So every Sunday or every Monday morning, my college sends me via Microsoft Kaizala or via WhatsApp the following week's online class timetable. So all I have to do is just write that into an Excel file or CSV for the Python programmers. So I just need to write the day and the class time and hit run. Rest all, the computer will take care itself. So what the computer does is it's going to go to the timetable folder. It's going to see if current time is equal to the time which is mentioned in the timetable. If it is, it's going to open my browser, put in my login credentials, hit join now, attend my classes all by itself and leave on time, all by itself while I am sleeping. Sounds interesting, right? Let's have a look at it in the action. Okay, so we are at 3:59 p.m. We are waiting for 4. As soon as it hits 4, okay, it has hit 4. Now we are waiting. Okay, it has opened the Chrome, sorry, the Safari. It's going to hit login. It's going to enter. I'm not doing anything, by the way. In my other hand, I'm holding the phone. It's going to put the password. It's only going to press the login button. Then it's going to look for the join now button. It's going to click on join now. Okay, once it does that. Now, as you saw, this was only the half of the program because classes are not scheduled yet, and as it is Sunday, so let's wait till tomorrow morning, which is Monday, and I have a class at 8:15 if I'm not wrong, and I'll show you then. Okay, so it's the next day, it's Monday, and the timetable is already loaded in. So I had a class at 8:15 and 10. I missed both of them, and this is exactly the kind of problem that we are trying to address. So the timetable is loaded in, and we're just waiting for 2:35 to happen. And once 2:35 happens, we can see it's going to log in. Yeah, so as you saw, it has opened the web browser. It's going to hit login. It's only going to hit the username, put the password and hit login. Yep, and it's going to click on join now. You can see Chrome is being controlled by an automated test software. So this is going to happen. Zoom is going to open in 5 seconds. Okay, it's automatically going to join with audio. We'll just wait for the class. Okay, as you can
Namaste
see,
students.
it's automatically muted. Video is off. Audio is
Good
directly
afternoon,
connected.
Rahul. Very good
And
afternoon.
at the end of the class, it's going to leave. And that's how we build a bot to attend your online classes. Let me know how this is in the comment section down below. So that's all for this video, guys. That's how I built a robot to attend my online classes all by itself. Actually, it's a bot, but in layman's term, we can call it robot. Otherwise, people wouldn't have clicked into this video understanding or not knowing what bot means. So if you want me to make a video about how to build this bot in detail, let me know in the comments down below and I'm on it. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I am Pratik. You're watching Prehistoric Polymath. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that when you get notified whenever we post a new video. Make sure to share this video and leave a comment down below about what do you think and how crazy is this idea. So I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay hungry and stay foolish.
Two-faced killer, go gorilla for the bag. That boy be a pussy, kill the vibe, he a drag. Autobiography gon' look like a brag. Let's get to the money, I'm on PT, dirty ass. Made these